have the real geometry dash. Okay, so after you have that geometry dash, then you have to go to Google. Wait, I have Opera. So then you can go to Google in this also if you want. So you have to search geode. Okay, so yeah, you can do that. So download this, and after you're done downloading it, you can do any mod you want, but I said like that you will do something else. Okay, like get all the texture packs and mods I have. So first I want to show you something very cool. So if you go here to the, I may renamed it Sapphire. This is how you can do it. So you can go to application icon, and then you can do anything from here. I did Sapphire. Okay, then after that, after you have downloaded Geometry Dash first, the whole game, not light or something, whole game, and then after that you'll download geode. You will launch geode, and hold on, let it load. Okay, so first you're gonna have to I'm going to show you the mods first. Look, so every mod I have, look, this is not every mod I have, but it is some. I have Eclipse, it's this mod menu, and by the way, it won't ban you. This is literally like, okay, you get it. Clickable dots, I don't know why. Coin sound, and then custom that sound. For the sound one, custom one, you have to go here, and then you have to enable custom first. Wait. Hold on. Oh yeah, when you will play a level for this custom dead sound, you will have to go here. This is the sound effects, and for this coin sound, you will have to go to settings and then do this. So in my Dash 100% video, you may have heard this. Okay, so you can do that, and better edit, and wait, I forgot to. Okay, I'll restart it later, but you can download it. Okay, animated fire, like it moves, and better touch trio, I can notice. Geode, it will be default. Alien drawing tool, I don't know. Alpha geode, this is auto also. And what else do I have? Got? Okay, yeah, it will be with this. And if you want to touch it back, you will have to do. Look. You have to download Texture Loader, Texture Workshop, and Happy Textures X3C or something. And then after that, for my texture pack, it's invisible, but it's right above the chest, the daily chest. So I downloaded the pack of 3 for this purple background and music, and catch difficulty system. You get the point? Yeah, these are the only 2 I have. No, I have another one. Called the Rock Topify. Topify. I don't use the UFO. I don't use the wave either. Wait, do I? No. I don't use the robot either. I use the spider, this way. And jetpack, I don't know now. And yeah. But I also have more icons in the mods. But why did it miss me? Wait, it literally made me load more mods. Look. So I have improved playtest, icon and sliders, coin sounds. Sorry, I didn't see that. No IDs, I don't know what that is. High graphics on mobile. I'm on mobile, but you can't tell already. This you can also see. And the jukebox. So this for the main levels you can also do. For example that by accident, but so you have to, for example, dash. You can search up dash v2. Oh, sorry. Dash v2. This one, and then you can click this disc right here, and then yeah. So I have these. Don't use this BB no one. It has words in it. But if you want, you can. This Freddy Fazbear one, it's very good to me. Yeah, I don't know how to beat this. I'm not tried it. Oh, Freddy Fazbear. It's like that. And the cat edition, this is peak. Yeah, you can use it, okay? Yeah, I'll stay with this, okay? So that's the jukebox mod. You can do it with any level you want, okay? So, but you can't do it from here. There's no disk here. So, but for proof, look, this will happen. See? Proof right there. Okay, so for texture packs, you will go to here. With the graphics mod, you will have to go to graphics and then textures. But if you don't have the graphics mod, the high graphics mod on mobile one, the textures will be here only. So you can go here, textures, and then here. I tried to get the King 7 pack, but it didn't work. Forget about that. Don't do that. So you have to put it. Look, it will be over here, everything, okay? But if you are using these three, then you will have to put the cat. First, you will have to do this 4 arrows. You will have to hold 4 arrows and then drag it over here. And cat TF will be on the first one, drop topify will be on the second one, and backup key will be on here, okay? Apply, you hit apply. Done. You have it. The cat's DF over here and the icons over here. So that's it for today's video, I guess.